Hey you guys, a lot of you have asked me if I can do a tutorial of the whole thing from start to bottom, how I finish this. So we're gonna go ahead and make something right now. As you can see, I'm gonna go to uploads. I'm already on the Cricut MySpace, which is Cricut space where your projects are. So I'm just gonna go over here to view all, and we're gonna go ahead and pick something. And you can always look at your results however you want to look at them. You can write whatever you want to write. It's really optional. I'm going to upload the Halloween just to show you really quick. I'm going to make something and we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the whole process and we're going to weed it out together and I'm just going to show you really quick everything. So once you can write right here what you want and it's going to come out either what you download or what you purchase or what you want to purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and pick something. I'm not sure what I want. So many things to pick from. And then if you don't want that, you just press the X and it'll go search to where you have all your things. So I'm just going to scroll down. And I'm not sure what I want to pick. I'm just going to go down and go through my stuff. Once you go down, it's easy. I'm sorry, I'm going fast since I'm looking for something. Once you find it, I have so many things. You're going to press on it. And you're going to put insert image. And your image is going to come out right here. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and make. I thought that was so pretty since I love to celebrate anyways the Day of the Dead. I'm going to have it ready and we're going to make it and then we're going to weed it out together. So this is step by step. We're going to measure it. Right here are your measurements. Don't get scared of it. It's going to help you. It's going to guide you. Now where I'm putting it, I don't need it bigger than a 4x4. So all you do is take it to the corner and you adjust it and you can see it is exactly what I need, a 4x4. You can always use right here, make it bigger. Look at, you can make it as big as you want. If you're putting it on a t-shirt, always I suggest you do an 8x8 because I think that is perfect on a t-shirt. If you want to go bigger, do a 9 or 10x10. If you're going to do a decal, go ahead and measure it to wherever you're going to add your decal to. So I'm going to add it to a 4x4. So that's why I needed exactly a 4x4 and I love the way it looks. It is gorgeous. You can do this in color and it'll show you your layers over here, and this is a whole one layer, so it's optional. You play with this around. You can also duplicate it. Right here has duplicated. Right here is to delete the project, to unsee the project. You see how it takes it away, and then to see it. So we'll upload one that has a lot of layers so we could play with that in a minute, but this is the one I want to print. So what we're going to do is we're going to press up here and it says make it. Oh, you guys can see me. And it's going to show you right here your mat. So this is going to go onto a vinyl. It's not a heat press. I'm going to put it onto, it's a decal. I'm going to put it onto a clear container. So once you have it ready right there, you're going to go to the next step that says continue. Once you continue, your machine is going to tell you how to set your vinyl. See, I have to remember to set my vinyl. It's an iron-on, and I want it on regular vinyl. So I'm going to move it, and it'll show you vinyl. Then it'll tell you load machine. I already did. And then it's going to go press go. So let me take you to the other side. So this is my machine. You see, I already loaded my mat. Now it says press there to get started. Once you get started, it's gonna show you, it's gonna start really quick. And I just want to show you the machine is gonna go ahead and do its thing, and on your laptop it's just gonna start counting down until it's 100% done. Once it's 100% done, it's gonna go ahead and beep. So all you have to do is wait for the machine to do all the work. And you hear it, it's already doing its job. And once it's done, we'll go ahead and load it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and weave it out with you so you kind of get, you know, so you kind of know what's happening. Now on your computer, it's counting down how much of the percentage it is done. Let me see if I can take it back. You see how it's counting down? It's saying only 25%. So it'll say 100 when the project is ready for you to remove. So it's just working out right now. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my scissors and my tools I use all the time, which I'll show you right now, to weave it out before I get started on my projects that I'm always showing you. So I'm just showing you really quick the machine, how it's working, and everything that it has to offer you. So when it is 100%, it's gonna beep, so don't worry about that. I'm gonna put this video under the beginners, so go ahead and check that out. I have a playlist called Cricut Beginners. So if you want to learn how to clean your mat, if you want to learn how to load your mat, if you want to learn the basics of that, even the heat press, it's gonna be on there. Go check it out. So once you get your machine, you won't be scared to use it, and you'll know what to do with it and what not to do with it. Go ahead and check that out. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Comment down below if you have any questions. I'll go ahead and link the link to the vinyl, so you get a $5 off, as well as a 15% off some decals that I have down below under my writing. And I'm also gonna go ahead and link my Instagram if you want to go ahead and check it out on Instagram, because you know I love to post on there. Go ahead and message me if you have any questions, any comments, anything you want to talk about. I'm always free to talk to you about. And if you need a video made, or you just don't understand the system, or don't understand the Cricut, the machine, go ahead and leave it down below so I can try to make a video to explain it to you. It took me a while to get to know the machine and to figure stuff out. I wasn't really good at it, but I'm kind of getting there. And it's just a bunch of practice, basically. I like to put these videos out so you won't waste your vinyl. I'll waste mine for you. So you can kind of go ahead and see what you're gonna do and make before you get started. I also have how to load your vinyl, because trust me, that gets very confusing, especially when you have fabric, heat press, and just regular vinyl. So that video is gonna be linked down below. Go ahead and check that out. It's very important that you learn your basics about this machine before you get started. It's not just about buying the machine, it's about how to use the machine and work the machine so it works for you. So we're almost done. It's at 83%, and we're gonna go ahead and wait for that. I hope everybody's day is going great like mine. And if you have any questions, like I said, just comment down below. I hope this comes out super cute. I cannot wait to see it. And it's almost done. It's at 92%. Look at how fast this machine just does it. It's so amazing. Like, if you get your hands on one, you're gonna love it. Trust me, you're gonna be end up making so many projects, and you're just gonna be thinking of the next way you can use it, or the next project. Oh, there's so many things with this machine. I am in love with it. I cannot stop making stuff. And my gifts from now on are going to be personalized if I can, because why not? I might as well get my money's worth of the machine, and I'm going to just use it as much as I can. It's at 99%. We're almost done. It says it's 100. So don't remove your mat until the machine stops, even if it says it's 100%. And there you go, the machine is done. It is telling me to unload my mat, and I'm gonna show you really quick right there. You press the first one, and that unloads the mat. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove it. Let me move my machine a little bit up so I can show you how I'm gonna weave it. Okay, can you guys see that? So we're gonna remove it from the mat. I always remove it by bending the mat down. and that just helps the process easier. Now we're gonna grab our scissors and we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it because it's easier for me to play with it once it's a little shorter than the whole thing. I don't know if you could see it, but you could kind of see where you're cutting. And just take it straight. And then put away the rest of your vinyl for another project. And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just weave this. So now for that, you need this tool. And this is gonna just guide you through the whole thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's just peel this. Let's weave it. Really quick. So I'm gonna remove the edge. Can you see? I think so. You can already see the pretty flowers right there. Look at how cute that is. So we're gonna remove little pieces at a time because I don't want to mess it up. And I don't want to take out something that has to stay there. If it does come out, go ahead and use your, let me make sure I stay on here. Use your tools. That's what it's for, to guide you through the whole process. Look at how cool that is. Now I'm gonna remove this little piece right here. I want to make sure you guys can get everything, but I want to see as well, like this. So just take your time when you're making these projects. I always say that, but I always mean it. You don't want to remove something that you're going to need. But look at how cool that is. Look at how cool that is. Isn't that just plain adorable? That is awesome. Now we got to remove the teeth. And I think the teeth is one by one. So let's go ahead and do the flowers first. Can you see? Yeah, let's do the flowers. It's gonna come out cool. Don't lift anything you're not supposed to lift. I'm kind of trying to see it because it's not close enough to me. I can make that closer if I have to. But I want you to be able to see what I'm doing as well. That's why it's hard to film while you're making these projects, because you really need to be close in there to look at all the details. But I know you guys want to see it. So if you're having a hard time, just go around it and do the other side. And it'll lift. But look at how cool that's coming out. And just keep moving it around till you lift the whole thing. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do this because I need to get closer, and then I'll come back when it's done. And then here you are. This is your final result, and look at how cute that came out. So all you have to do is weave it. You're done. And then you add your transfer tape, and that's it. I hope you guys learned a little bit of something. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye you guys.